Hello friends, welcome to Buttercream Bliss, inspiring cake design, your ultimate destination for all things cake decorating. Here we embark on a delightful journey into the world of confectionery artistry, where sugar, flour, and creativity converge to create edible masterpieces. Our channel is a heaven for baking enthusiasts, aspiring pastry chefs, and anyone with a sweet tooth and an eye for beauty. Join us as we explore a myriad of techniques, from intricate fondant designs to luscious buttercream swirls. Each tutorial meticulously crafted to inspire and guide you on your own cake decorating adventures. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, our step-by-step tutorials cater to all skill levels. We will unravel the mysterious behind flawless piping, show you how to achieve that perfect glossy finish, and introduce you to innovative tools that will elevate your cake decorating game. But it's not just about technique, it's about infusing your personality into your creations. Discover how to tailor designs to suit different occasions, from whimsical birthday cakes to elegant wedding masterpieces. Dive into themed cake series that celebrate holidays, seasons, and special events, ensuring your cakes are not only delicious but also tell a story. At my channel, we are committed to fostering a vibrant and super